Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to follow and unfollow anyone within Instagram. So if you're scrolling through your Instagram feed, guys, if you're not following the person, you will be able to see on the uppermost right hand side of their post, there will be a follow button. So you can simply go ahead and tap the follow, as you can see that I did there. Now, in order to unfollow that person, you can simply go ahead and tap on the profile by clicking on the name within the feed, and that's if you're seeing the page within your feed. And once you do that, you can simply tap the following and you can simply go ahead and hit unfollow button there. In case you're not able to find a particular page and you would like to unfollow someone but you're not really seeing them in your feed, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on your profile in the lower right hand side, and then you want to go ahead and click on where you are following. So you'll be able to click on following from the upper right hand side, and you can scroll through the list to see all the people who you're following. But sometimes that can take a lot of time. So if you know the name, it's actually better, and you can simply go ahead and you can type there. So it's much better to search for the particular page or the particular person who you like to unfollow from within your following list. And then once you find that profile, let me go ahead and choose someone. So let's say I will just write in a page, and then you can simply tap on following and it will unfollow that person.